Flatbread doesn't have to be heavy. Today we're using a simple tortilla to make something thin, crispy, and packed with spring vegetables. You'll need a flour tortilla, tomato sauce, zucchini, red bell pepper, red onion, olive oil, salt, black pepper, and fresh basil. Simple, fresh, straightforward. Start by brushing a light layer of olive oil over the tortilla. This helps it bake up thin and crispy. Spread a thin, even layer of tomato sauce across the tortilla. Leave a small border around the edges. Now add the zucchini, spreading the slices evenly across the surface. Next, we'll add red bell pepper and thin slices of red onion. Preheat the oven to 400 degrees, then bake until the edges are golden and the vegetables are tender. Right before serving, sprinkle fresh basil over the flatbread for a bright, fresh finish. This is how you keep it thin, crispy, and full of flavor. You'll find the full recipe in the pinned comment. See you next time.